Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be opening up some Hot Wheels. Pretty cool, right? So yep, we're going to be doing that. It's pretty cool. I quite like doing these because I get to open Hot Wheels. So yep, I just like doing it because we get to open new Hot Wheels. So yep, we're gonna be opening up the Porsche the Porsche 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, the Lamborghini Gallardo LP 564, and a Hot Wheels exotic pack. So yep. Also like and subscribe to the video because I really need it. I only got some subscribers. So yep. So let's get on to the video. Okay. So next up, first up. Sorry, I just got messed up. First we got a Porsche 944 Turbo. It's a cool car. So let's open it. Here it is. Here is the car. It is a Porsche. I really like it because it's from 1989, and I like the pop-up headlight. I also like the detailing at the back. It's really cool. So there we go. That is the Porsche. That's the Porsche 944 Turbo from 1989. So next up we have the Lamborghini Gallardo LP 564. So I'm gonna open it up. Here's the car. It's pretty cool. My dad has driven one, so yeah, and so here it is. Here it is in all its glory. There we go. Now to the highlights of the video. We've got the Hot Wheels exotic pack. This is gonna be quite hard to open, so yeah. Now it's the Hot Wheels exotics pack. So first up, or should I say next up, because it's the next Hot Wheels opening, or should I say third up, but let's just say first up because it's a car. It is a Cadillac Mirage. I love the colour of the car, and I love the feeling of it because it's brand new, it's shiny. It just looks so amazing. So it's good. Yeah. Yes. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. So next up we have the Jaguar Project 7, and here it is, the Jaguar Project 7. It is really cool. So yeah. Do you like it? Because I like it quite a lot. It's like an F-Type with the roof down with a wing on the back. Basically like an F-Type SVR Roadster, basically. So yeah, that is the Project 7. So next up we have the Porsche, but it isn't a Porsche 944 Turbo from 1989. It is a Porsche it's a Porsche GT3 RS. So I love this colour on the car. It's amazing. I love the white wheels. I like the components. I just like Porsches. So let's the both of the cars go together. So that is the Porsche GT3 RS. Now we have one of my favourite cars. McLaren F1 GTR, or should I say LM with the orange colours. I'm just going to call it GTR. So this LM is super cool, and I really like it because it's McLaren F1. It costs like 20 million, so like I really like this. But my favourite McLaren F1 is still the long tail. I never told you guys that. It's just still it. So yeah. So that is the car. Now, next up, we have. Sorry, it's quite hard getting out this package. We have the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. I love V8 Vantages because I think my dad's driven one before, and I also really like this spec because it is cool. It's like a B car, because like black and yellow, the B car. That's actually that's gonna be its nickname, the B car, because yeah, you know why. So that's the B car. So now I'm going to show you all together. Now we have the F1 GTR, the Project 7, and the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. We've got the 944. We got the 944. We got the Gallardo, and we got the Mirage. And last but not least, we have the GT3 RS. So you can just look at it one more time. Look inside. 7. Yes. Thank you for watching my channel. I really enjoy doing these videos. So I might do another video tonight because I really enjoy doing these. So as I said at the start of the video, subscribe and like the video. Anyway, Noah channel 10 is, or should I say Noah? Well, Noah is out.